Hello, have a pleasant day. Today's class is difference between correlation and regression analysis. And I am Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Institute, Tirupati. Let's start the difference between correlation and regression analysis. Already we have seen the correlation and regression separately, and here we are going to see the difference between the correlation and regression. So the basic need for the difference between both the term is connected to statistical analytical approach, and it offers to find the mutual connections between two variables. So both the thing, the correlation as well as regression, they are a statistical approach, and then both is offering the mutual how it has been connected, the mutual connections between the two variables. So the measure of each of these connections and the impact of these predictions are used to identify the analytical patterns in day-to-day our life. That is, in everything you can find out. There is about a connections and there is about an impact on these predictions. So it's quite easy to get confused between the two terms since we used to say that both the correlation and regression has the relationship between two variables, but here we are finding the difference which has been highlighted. And then so the main difference in correlation and regression is that the measures of the degree of a relationship between two variables, like x and y, ra and b, something like, okay, any of the variables, any of the two variables or two or more variables. So here the correlation is the measurement of degree, whereas the regression is a parameter to determine how one variable affects the another. So as per the meaning, how it differs. So the correlation is a statistical measure that determines the association or a correlationship between two variables. See, it's how much it's about the relationship, either it is positive or negative like. Then the regression describes how to numerically relate an independent variable to other dependent variable. The next one is the on the basis of usage. The correlation has to represent a linear relationship between two variables. Always we used to say the linear correlation only. And then here in regression, to fit the best line and to estimate one variable based on another. If you know one variable, you can easily find out another variable. So as if I said in the earlier video, that is, if you know the amount of tax levy, then you can easily predict what is the price of a particular commodity. Then dependent and independent variable, that is, there is no difference in dependent and independent variables like in correlation. In regression, both the variables are different. So we say it as a dependent and independent variables. And the indicates how it indicated, the correlation coefficient indicates the extent to which the two variables move together, the extent in the sense positively, and to what extent it reaches, that is. But in regression it indicates the impact of change of one unit on the estimate variable, that is, which is about a known to unknown. That is what in regression. Then objective, and in correlation to find out a numerical value expressing the relationship between variables, say for example 0.16 or 0.7 or minus something like. Here in regression, to estimate the values of random variables on the basis of value of a fixed variable. So already you know what is about the variable, and then based on that fixed variable you are going to find out the random one. And so here we could say that the correlation and regression are two analysis based on the multiple variables distribution. So here we can say that it has been used to describe the nature of the relationship and strength between the two continuous quantitative variables. And here it is about evident from with the above discussion there is a big difference between a correlation and regression. If anyone says it's about the same, the correlation and regression, you should not accept it. Okay, and this is about the two mathematical concepts, although these two are being studied together, so we are just known how it has been differed. Then the correlation is used when the researcher wishes to know whether or not the variable being studied or correlated. So is there any correlation or not? Like that, it could be easily find out with the help of correlation. But in case of regression, we could find out based on one variable, the other variable we can easily take it out. Then if yes, then the strength of their association, how much it is. And then in Pearson, correlation coefficient is considered as the best correlation method. So we could say the functional relationship between the two variables is established in regression analysis in order to make the future projections on events or any of the uh, data. So based on this, we can easily find out the difference between the correlation and regression analysis. Hope you understood. Thank you. Until then, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.